Welcome back, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I've got a pretty exciting install video for you guys. This coming from TACO CLOUT. This is an exclusive item over on TACOCLOUT.com. These are new side mirrors for your Tacoma, and there's a couple of really cool features that come on these mirrors. So, without further ado, let's jump into this install. All right, here we have the unboxing of the TACO CLOUT blue glass side view mirrors. These are a wide angle view, so that's really, really cool. They are anti-glare and are heated. They also have the blind spot monitoring on them. So as we open it up, you can see there is bubble wrap on top. It is packaged very, very nicely. You have the nice film over the top. You can see just how wide of an angle it is, because here I am filming. On the corner here you can see the blind spot monitoring section. As we go ahead and flip it over, you'll see this wire here, which is we're gonna have to be splicing into some of the factory wiring. This up here is for your defrost, and then you'll see this little cutout over here, which is for the blind spot monitoring. Now, if you do order that with the blind spot monitoring, you will get these extra lights. These will just clip into the old light harnesses. These are sized for different sides, so you do have a right as indicated on the back here, and then the other one does have a left. So you'll know which side goes in where. And then we'll just kind of tuck that in, make sure that's plugged in, and we'll be ready to go. So let's go ahead and jump into this install. All right, as I'm sitting in the driver's seat, I'm actually putting you up to my eye level, and you can see just how much we can see out of the driver's side mirror. So you got, there's my mailbox back there, and that's kind of the final edge that I can see. So here's a little bit before. We'll see just how much more we can see with the wide angle lens. All right, first things first, we got to get the cap off. So if you need, get yourself a little pry tool. There's a big clip here and then a couple of attachment points on the vehicle side that you do need to kind of pop off. So you can get it started with your fingers. It is a little tricky. I have just run my trim tool here just around the edge to see if I can't pop that loose, and that'll come off. Now we have access to the back of the mirror. Now we got to take the mirror off. All right, now as we come in here, you'll see these two wires are for your defrost. We'll unclip this wire here, but first we've got to unclip the mirror, and there'll be 4 of these tabs kind of all the way around this plastic housing. So we'll just be able to push these tabs out and pop the mirror off through the front. All right, that is the hardest bit about this install, is getting those clips off of the center control ring. You will need to get at least the top 2 sections that connect to this plastic ring off before you're actually able to pull this mirror section out. So that's kind of going to be the toughest part. But now we have access to our blind spot monitoring. Let's get this out of the harness here. We'll unplug the 2 connections in the back for our defrost. Seem a little bit stubborn back there, and now we should be able to kind of loosen the blind spot monitoring. And we'll go ahead and unclip that. There we go. And it looks like the stock blind spot monitoring is not going to come out, so those are going to be set up in there and clipped. We're ready to put on the TACO CLOUT wide angle, so let's get that going. All right, we have the, you'll notice here it's backwards, left hand, but they are labeled so you know which side goes where. Your blind spot monitoring light, that'll just go sit right in the housing there, and then we'll go ahead and just route this the same way as the factory, and we'll be able to clip that right into place. All right, so we got our blind spot monitoring there. These two wires we're going to run through the opening here. We are going to have to do a little bit of splicing, but we can go ahead and reconnect our defrost connections. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll just snap the mirror back into place. And making sure that we've got our black and red wires running through where we need them to. So, all right, now we'll go ahead and snap this back into place. All righty, now we have that on, come back and do the wiring. Okay, so one of the cool features that this particular mirror has is it does have the signal indicator actually in the mirror itself. So that's what these two wires are for. We will be connecting these two into the side marker light, so that way we have a sequential turn signal on the mirror side. This is going to be cool. So with this, your red wire is going to be spliced into the pink wire, and the black wire is going to be spliced into the white wire. And you will need to make the connection a circuit. So what we'll do is we'll cut the white wire, connect the black and the white into the connection, and then reconnect it back to the white wire, and same with the pink. So that way we have the complete circuit. That's what we're doing next. All right, so go ahead and just make the cut. Now TACO CLOUT does give you plenty of wiring, plus a little spot here if you want to go ahead and just make the connection, and then you'll have to just kind of tuck this extra wire out. So we'll go ahead and use that. All right, now we got those two connected up, white to black, pink to red, positive and your negative. I'm just going to go ahead and get these heated up and shrink wrapped, and then we should be good on this install. Locking and locking the truck will give you that sequential look. Now that we know that everything has been hooked up properly, we'll just kind of do a double check, make sure that all of our connections are clean. We'll go ahead and just tuck the wires back in here. And now we're ready to put the cap back on. And now the final piece. Now that we've got everything working, let's go ahead and unlock. You can see that sequential look over there. We do have the blind spot monitoring. Now it is time. Oh, so nice. And having that blue tint on there, ooh, it's gonna look so good. Can't wait to compare it. All right, now let's check out and see just how much we can see in this new side mirror. All right, so here I am once again, eye level. And you can totally tell just how much more you can see out of this wide angle side mirror. So much more. I mean, before you could only see like a portion of where the mailbox was, and now you've got all that extra space, and you can also kind of see into the cab a little bit where my shoulder is. That is cool. TACO CLOUT knocked it out of the park. And as we do our turn signals, yeah, you can see that the blind spot monitoring came on there. Let's go ahead and check out. Oh yeah. Check out the turn signals on there. How sweet are those? Well, my friends, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you did enjoy it. I still have the passenger side to do, but the steps are going to be identical to the driver's side. If you are interested in picking up a set of your ultra-wide blue tinted mirrors, check out the link in the description box below. Also, jump over to TACOCLOUT.com. Check out what he's got over there. And I do have a discount code at TACO CLOUT. Save yourself a little bit of money at your checkout. Use code MUMPHY, and that should help you out over there. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to smash that like button. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys think of these ultra-wide side mirrors, and if it's something that you guys are going to pick up. Make sure that you're subscribed for more videos like this. I have plenty of other installs and adventure videos coming up, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Smash that bell if you haven't already, so that way you're notified for more videos. And be sure to check out mumphy.us, which is where I will also have a collection of all the mods that you currently see on the Tacoma and where you guys can pick those up. Also, it's just a collection of all things Mumphy, so there is a store over there and just other information. I might start posting up some of the events that I start going to, so be sure to stay tuned and check out mumphy.us. I greatly appreciate you guys sticking around for this long. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.